What's up? So today we're gonna be finishing the sound. So this is the next day. So the rack is done. Now the only thing I have to work on now is the wiring. So today we'll be tackling the wiring. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, the setup is done. Just need to clean up, and then there's still more upgrades coming, because under there I want to put lighting, and that side again. Okay, this it's when for the tent, when the tent falls, it falls on top of this, it lays on top of this thing that covers it. But on the other side it should be the sub hidden, and then it's gonna be my toolbox there, plus the lighting. I want the lighting to go all around the boot. And then yeah, we're done. We have installed. It's nothing fancy, but just to keep the car neat. That's all. As I said, I'm not gonna open the boot and show off, and it's just when it's open, when I'm looking for something, when I'm taking something on the boot, it just looks neat. So yeah guys, that's a video for today. Tune in for the next video, the next episode, when we get the lights, and then everything will be popping from there. Ciao.